as you may notice, many people fly drone for recreation and hobby purposes, but not many people know how to fly the drone safely and legally, especially for use. So I developed drone education program titled Idaho Drone League, shortly iDrone. One of my research focuses on the drought monitoring and forecasting, but sometimes satellite has some constraint, for example, cloud cover. During my camp, basically, I provide the small drone pieces and parts, and students build their own drone from scratch. And then next day, we go out to field, airfield, to experience drone flight outdoor. Drone technology is everywhere. Drone technology is not military-centric application anymore. Drone can be used many civil applications. I think we're gonna see a lot of potential, and then we can come up with a great idea to educate more idle youth in K-12 sector as well as college level near future.